Okay, dude?
Yeah.
This is your first rocket launch.
This is going to go horribly wrong.
And it probably is going to go wrong, but do you know what? We will in a minute. Right, and dude, put your firing pin in. Do not touch the button.
Okay.
Put the firing pin in. All the way down. Press it down.
Yeah.
Has that gone red?
No,
Hasn't gone red, has it? Hold it.
I can't do it.
No, that's right. Do not press the button yet. See if you can press the button. See what happens. No, do a countdown and then press the button.
5,
4,
3,
2, 1.
Didn't do anything.
Don't worry, it's okay. I didn't expect it to because we didn't have the safety light, did we?
It's done.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, countdown, proper countdown.
5,
4,
4,
3, 2, 1. Go for it, dude.
Whoa. Holy.
That is good, isn't it?
Hey.
Come on, come on, come on. Yes, we got deployment.
To miss the cables and we'll be...
Look, there it is. Whoa. Where is it? It's up there.
Terror.
Yeah, but I can't see.
We might have no power for a couple of days.
No.
Where's it going to land?
In your field, next door neighbour's field. Guys, we did it! Dude! We did it! Yeah! Jack! Come here, mate. Come here, mate. You got to do that. Are you happy?
Yeah.
That was fantastic.